These numbers by Tata Steel for the second quarter are looking weaker than expected, and the company has reported several exceptional items, which has led to a bottom line loss of 6,200 crores. Tell us how you're reading these numbers overall, and especially those exceptional items.
Hi, good evening. Yeah. So I guess the numbers are slightly weaker than what we were expecting, especially at Tata Steel Europe. We were expecting EBITDA per ton loss of $137 per ton, and calculate that, then the loss has come to $155 per ton. So a slightly larger loss with the European operations combined UK and Netherlands. At impressions, we were expecting slightly higher EBITDA per ton, and that has come lower than our expectation.
Yes.
So that's on the operational front, and restructuring expenses definitely means those were expected because the company has announced the restructuring of UK assets. So we will have to see the final details in the con call tomorrow, what they have to say.
Yes.
Because, yeah.
But we don't have the best of connections with you right now, so I'm straining a little bit. But even so, if you can quickly tell us about these numbers, they're definitely lagging peers because of this prolonged weakness. You talked about the European operations. It's a fourth consecutive quarter of EBITDA per ton loss. Would you say now that the worst is behind us when it comes to Tata Steel and the kind of headwinds they've been facing?
Yeah, so that's what their intention is to now to transition to electric arc furnace, and the losses at Tata Steel Europe is happening because of their existing blast furnace at UK that is not profitable and is coming to its end of life. So the entire objective is now to transition electric arc furnace, and in that process they will mothball the current blast furnace, and in the meantime they will source the raw material, that is HR coils, and they will service existing clients. So the transition is a kind of a arrangement. So the losses from the existing assets will stop, and once they shift to the electric arc furnace, that will be slightly profitable, because electric arc furnace doesn't require your coking coal and iron ore integration, because that electric arc furnace will be on scrap. UK has abundant scrap, so that is the entire proposal. So this phase of UK incurring losses will that will continue for maybe one more quarter, but once they transition towards the electric arc furnace, this will slowly weigh away. That's the entire thing.
Yes,
that's
and
how we have to read this.
Yes. Yeah. And now probably what could help in the future, Aditya, are steel prices, which have been rising 59,000 to 60,000 rupees a ton, and if they rise further, we could see better numbers come out of Tata Steel in the quarters to come. But I'm afraid we are out of time, Aditya. Thanks very much. We will look out for the management commentary as well, but thanks very much for lending perspective on the second quarter numbers posted by Tata Steel earlier.